Want a fun and easy fall craft? Today, we're making a colorful apple core out of paper. Perfect for classroom decor, bulletin boards, or just a creative activity at home. For this project, you'll need construction paper in red, yellow, or green, white paper for the core, brown for the stem, and green for the leaf. Don't forget scissors and glue. First, cut 2 half-circle shapes from your apple color paper. This will be the top and bottom of the apple. Then, cut a tall, curvy shape from white paper. This makes the apple's core. Finally, cut a leaf and a stem. Glue the red, yellow, or green half-circles to the top and bottom of the white core. Add the brown stem at the top, and the green leaf right beside it. Now your apple is starting to come to life. To make it look real, draw or cut out tiny apple seeds and glue them in the center of the core. This simple detail makes the craft pop. And that's it. Your apple core craft is ready. Try making different colors, red, green, or yellow, to create a fun set. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy DIY crafts.